Sports have been privatized in the country very recently. The reason for privatization of sports is the lack of infrastructure and coaching facilities in the government-aided sports organizations compared to the private ones. There are a number of coaches and ex-players who complain about the fact that government-aided sports organizations are still using outdated methods of training, whereas new methods have come up a decade ago.
From the government aided association, and they try and get things. They have to get a little bit of advanced in everything.
Parents of sportsmen are also complaining about the fact that the sportsmen are not being supported by the government-aided organizations, whereas the private organizations have enough funds to support them. This is one of the reasons for privatization of sports in the country.
Maybe the governments should also step in, like the Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Youth and Sports, their rankings up. To hold on to the points, to enhance the ranking, you do need participation in a minimum of, I would say, 20 tournaments a year. It could be utilized for upliftment of sports people.
There are some players who believe that privatization of sports in the country has sprung up due to the lack of funding capabilities of the government.
It is tough. I mean, we play so much, and obviously, like for our parents, it's tough to sponsor us because it's very expensive. Every international trip, I mean, it takes a lot of money. So I think the government should do a little more for this sport because there's so much money going into cricket, which is a team event. So for individuals like us, I mean, we don't get enough support. So I think if we get a little more support from the government, it'll be easier for us to travel and do better.
Some well-known cricketers too have the same opinion. They feel that the government's participation in the sports sector is not enough and has thus led to the privatization of sports in the country.
Basically, it has to be other than the government that really does it. Government can aid a particular initiative, but on its own it's not going to work, as we've seen it. Also, the other reason is that it needs a groundswell. The entire cricketing world is a private initiative. There's no government participation in cricket in India, and see how well it's doing. You see hockey, okay, that's in a bit of a mess, but initially you might require government support. Unless it's privatized, it's got no future. With the government, it has absolutely zero future, in fact negative.